A short list of numbers hides one secret rule. Can you crack it before the reveal? Each number hides one repeating jump. 2 to 3 is +1, but 3 to 5 is a double. So what jump comes next? Now crack the rule in each sequence. Yes, you spotted it. Nice, sharp pattern sense. Ooh, tricky, but right. Perfect, you are a rule breaker. Rule induction is more than a game. It trains you to spot hidden patterns fast, and it sharpens the logical leaps your brain makes every day. You can play this yourself for free. Scan the code to jump straight in, or just type PlayMemorize.com. Come crack some rules.